Pakistani actress and model Mariam Ansari is married to legendary cricketer Moin Khan's son Awe Khan. Photos of their wedding are going viral on social media. People were very happy to hear that their favorite actress Mariam Ansari also got married. And here we will tell you one thing, that she is the elder sister of actor Ali Ansari. Mariam Ansari started her married life at the age of 24 by marrying Awe Khan. And before they get married, they work together at a fitness center. If we talk about Mariam's successful dramas, her Failure drama is becoming very popular on Airy Digital these days. She has also performed in popular live theatres such as Sadurjat. Mariam Ansari started her showbiz career with a very small role, because none of her family is from showbiz. And today, as much as she has gained fame, she has made a name for herself by working hard day and night. And she is naturally so beautiful that people and virgin girls ask her the secret of her beauty. But in today's article, we will see that Mariam Ansari is having a photo shoot at her wedding with her husband, her siblings, and in-laws. Looking at the pictures, you may have guessed that she is the daughter-in-law of legendary cricketer Moin Khan. So let's see some beautiful pictures from the wedding of Mariam and Awe. Don't forget to congratulate Mariam Ansari and Moin Khan's son Awe Khan on their marriage. Thanks.